welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing the December box from GLOVEBOX. Now guys, this is a phenomenal value. Link in the description below to get a discount on your first box. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head right now, I apologize, but just look in the link below, click on that and it'll take you over. Typically there's $75+ of value in this thing, and the monthly subscription is 35 bucks a month. Unless you use my code, then it gets you down even less. I can't remember exactly what it is, I apologize. But fantastic box, really cool Christmas gift, guys. If you sign up someone for a year, let them have it for a year. It's an incredible, incredible Christmas gift. I don't think they wouldn't get the December box, I don't think, if you're signing up now, but you know, print out a little gift glove box picture or whatever, give that to them, like, hey dude, starting January, you're covered for a year. Super cool gift. So let's go ahead and jump into this one, guys. I'm super excited. Let's see what we got.
All right, what's up everyone? Sorry to interrupt the video, but it's worth it, I promise. GLOVEBOX is partnering with me on this month's video, and we're gonna be doing a special giveaway. We're gonna be giving away a scan grip, specialty light. So I'll put a little video up, or a little picture up of it here. So if you want to win, do the usual, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll put a link down in the description for you. Go follow over there, comment on this video, like it, and then go over to the Instagram post. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and then make that same comment on the Instagram post, and you'll be entered to win. We'll be giving it away in 1 week's time. Good luck.
Okay guys, GLOVEBOX. Let's go ahead and pop this baby open. First things first. Wow. I have to be honest with you guys, each box that I've been getting, I've been more and more impressed with the value and the things that it comes in, or comes with it. So super cool. Right off the bat, guys, you get, you get an IK sprayer. Fantastic. These are kind of known to be the best sprayers on the market, and they're also very expensive. You know, for your average spray bottle, like if you just get them at a detail shop, they're gonna run you $4 or something like that, $3 for the bottle and the trigger. These guys are amazing. They have this amazing base to them, so they stand up really nicely. Amazing trigger sprayers, and nice labeling product. You can actually just slide, you know, label what you have in here, slide it right into the base. Boom, your product is labeled, has measuring guides on the side. These are unbelievable spray bottles, and yeah, I mean, the thing that's cool about GLOVEBOX, guys, is they're not just going after like overstock product. Like, this is a premium product from a company that's known for being like the best spray bottle out there, and you get one in the box. That's fantastic. It's not leftover products here, guys. This is just fantastic stuff. So yeah, you got two options for the product ID, where you can write the information. You have a red side and a green side. Super cool. That's a really great piece. Let's just look at so in every box, guys, you do get a little information card. It kind of walks you the process of how you can use all these things together. But let's just show you here. We're using the IK Multi TR1 spray bottle. This spray bottle is $16. So there you go, guys. Phenomenal start to this box. Just looking on here real quick. All right, guys, so the next thing in the box, you have a little brochure from Extra Tough, which is a brand, and I'm assuming that's what we're coming up to next. Let's see here. Yeah, Extra Tough Cleaner. I don't know which one is which. Let's just go ahead and unwrap this one. And Extra Tough. So we've got the Extra Tough degreaser, cleaner and degreaser, multi-purpose. So I've never used any of this stuff. I don't know about it. It looks like they have done a bunch of different things with a bunch of different YouTubers. So maybe check them out as well. You got Fab Automotive, Pan the Organizer, Miranda Detailing, and then on their own website as well. Some discount codes on here. So good stuff there, guys. Extra Tough, all-purpose cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner degreaser. I apologize. Next up is, oh, sorry guys, and just so we can get through this, this is $14.99. If you use code GLV on Extra Tough's website, you get 10% off of a gallon. All right, next item up, we have from Vosh, VV Ash. The brand is VVASH, Vosh. So this is their premium glass cleaner. Now again, I've heard of this brand. I haven't personally used it. As a professional, there's so many different products out there. That's why I love having this channel. I'm able to kind of work through different products. That's why I love GLOVEBOX, because I'm able to test out these new products. As a professional, I get stuck in a repetitive situation of using the products that I have always used. I buy in bulk and I'm able to, I know exactly what they're gonna do. However, sometimes there's new products that come out that work better than the products that I'm using. So I love having the opportunity to test all this stuff out. So premium glass cleaner, this guy is $13.99. We also do get you know, your sprayers and all that kind of stuff that you need for this. It looks like the sprayer is for this one, and then this one, I'm assuming you can dilute down to however you want it. And with the dilution ratio, you can use it in your IK sprayer and get after it. So next up we have an Adams Polishes rubberized wheel brush. I actually use this pretty often. Adams actually sent me one of these and it's fantastic. It's very similar to other brushes, but this one has a nice rubberized texture coating grip on the sides. Fantastic little brush. I'll load up my wheels with my cleaner, go in, agitate it all with this. Fantastic brush. It's stiff enough to get the job done, soft enough not to hurt, and soft enough to get into all the little crevices and everything. I wouldn't use this on like a black painted wheel. You can leave a little bit of, introduce a little bit of marring just because it has a little bit of stiffness to it. But all your typical alloys and all that kind of stuff, fantastic brush. Then we have a couple of microfiber towels. This looks like a, what size is this, 12 by 12? I would assume 12 by 12 microfiber. Waffle weave for glass, which pairs well with your premium glass cleaner. Oh, cool. There, cool. We get a holiday Christmas tree ornament. That's cool. Very cool. That'll go up on the tree, and then also you get your GLOVEBOX sticker. So fantastic box here, guys. Again, really, really cool company. The fact that they include, I mean, both of these are premium items here. This thing, like I said, $16. This is a $20 wheel brush. So just there, guys, you're already at 36 bucks. So there's your cost of your box. And then you get all this other stuff included as well. So fantastic box from GLOVEBOX yet again. I have heard they're gonna be doing some cool things for 2022. So I'm excited to keep my subscription going and excited to see what they have for us. So that's it, guys. I hope that helps you. Go check out GLOVEBOX. Again, I have the link in the description below with my discount code so you can get your first box for a cheaper price. It's a really cool service, really great guys behind it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.